Hey, my beautiful Tea Party Squad. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Takoa, and in today's video, I will be doing a double plan with me for this week, August the 17th through the 23rd, and I'm going to be planning in my household section as well as my social media section. So stick around to see what I'll be using to create this week's spread. All right, so like I said, I am going to be doing two spreads for this week, and I'm going to be using my social media dashboard and my household vertical. And I chose to use these printables by printprayslay. I love her printables. This kit is called Life of Lemonade's kit, and this is a 3-page kit. You can use this for your faith journaling or any type of bullet journaling, but I'm going to be using this in my weekly. And these are the 3 pages. They are super cute. It's such fun, like summer vibes type of printable. And so since summer is about to end, I thought I'd go ahead and incorporate that in this week's spread. And I want to go ahead and use this in my weekly plans. So again, like I said, since this is a 3-page kit, I felt like it was enough stickers to do more than one spread. And so that is why I'm doing this double plan with me. I love this. So if you love this particular sticker kit, please make sure you go ahead and check out her shop. And I just love this kit. I just love it. I had this kit for actually a few weeks now, and I've just been waiting for the right moment to use it. So I think I'm going to do that. And I love how she added little scriptures right here that I can tie in as like a weekly little food for thought. But I'm just loving all the fun colors. So I just thought since it's a 3-page kit, this is enough to do 2 spreads, and I need to go ahead and do both of these this week, so why not? I am going to be using my dashboard. This is the dashboard layout, which is my household section of my Franken planner, and then I'm going to be using this neutral vertical, and I use that as my social media section in my planner. I'm also going to be tying in some red lyrics dolls. These dolls here with the pops of color of like that yellow mustard color, I think it'll go great with that. So I think I want to incorporate that. And then also incorporating the Happy Planner handwritten plans. And I'm going to use it in my dashboard layout the most. So go ahead and grab your favorite beverage and let's go ahead and get started with this double plan with me. All right, so I'm done with both of my weekly plans for this week. I love how they turn out with this print, pray, slay principles. Absolutely love it. It just gives me all of the summer vibes. Now, have you ever used one sticker kit or one sticker book to create more than one spread for the week? Comment down below and let me know. And then my household section looks a little like this. So cute. I love it. In my household section, if you're new here, I utilize my dashboard layout to keep all of like my family to-dos, grocery lists, appointments, and school is actually going to be starting really soon. So I love to use these handwritten plans, stickers to kind of give me different sections to write in all of the fun things like school shopping, school schedule, which I'll be changing that up in the upcoming weeks. But virtual learning is going to be starting soon. So I just love this section for this. I love also how I did that lemonade jar. I cut that in half, and then I also incorporate that in my social media. And then at the top here, I used to use this as like my steps, but I don't know now. I have my little fitness planner that I do now, and I keep my steps and everything. And that's, I don't know what I'm going to use that for, but we're going to figure it out. So here is the sticker paper that I use. I thought I'd go ahead and show this to you guys. I will also try to link that down below in the description box if you want to get some of these as well. But this sticker paper is amazing. It comes with 100 sheets. It's removable, and it was easy for me to kind of maneuver my stickers around, pull it up, and I didn't have any problems with it kind of sticking and tearing. So I do like that. But again, I am loving this Print, Pray, Slay sticker kit along with my Red Lyrics doll. I think they complement each other very well. And so I hope you enjoy this double plan with me for this week of August the 17th through the 23rd in my household section as well as my social media section. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Takoa, and I love to share planner-related videos here at my tea party as well as sticker book flip-throughs, organization, and starting some more lifestyle videos here at my tea party. So if those are some type of videos that you enjoy, I hope that you stick around by clicking that red subscribe button and that notification bell to become a part of my tea party squad and get notified when I have weekly uploads. So thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.